Good morning, everybody. Jeff from Russell Valley Garage. We're doing a repair this morning. Um, we've already had this thing apart and repaired it, but I want to tell you about the process on how we determined what the problem was and what we did to fix it. This right here is one of our cut-off wheel grinders that we use on body work. It's very, very useful for cutting things off. We were out on a plumbing job a couple of miles from here, and we were cutting some straps that were holding up some waste pipes that we needed um, to get rid of because we were going to put new ones in. And unfortunately, the thing quit. Okay, just no action at all, like it wasn't getting any power. So anyway, we took the thing apart. There were some screws that hold this back portion on, and they are on this side right here. They're like a T15, and these sides both come off. Um, the power cord, of course, did not look like this. Uh, the power cord looked like this from use. Um, This was about like this inside of the machine. So what we did is we took and we plugged it in, and there's a pair of terminals here that are on a switch that sits about right here, and we weren't getting any power. Okay, so we knew that the power cord was bad. So we wanted to take and make sure that this was actually the power cord. Okay, so what we did is we have another cord that just has a pair of clips on the end of it, and we put the pair of clips on the two terminals and plugged it in, and then tried it, and it did work. Okay, so the first thing that we did to take and determine where we can take and get the parts is you look at the label for the part number. Okay, on this one right here, it is really damaged. Okay, and where the model number would be, which was right here, it just completely tore up. So what we did is we went on eBay and we took and matched this up to another model, and we found this to be a number 6148 Milwaukee sander grinder. All right, so we went on ereplacementparts.com. Not a sponsor. That's usually where we take and get our parts. And we wanted to see how much a power cord was. Okay, with the cost of the part and the shipping and everything, it was like $30. Okay, $30 for a power cord. Okay, didn't really see that happening. So what we actually did is, um, since the open is probably in this area right here, we just went ahead and we cut the cord off. This cord is like 10 feet long. Okay, so we cut the cord off, and we left enough on the switch so we could take and strip the wires back and take and strip the wires back from this, and then just go ahead and put a piece of heat shrink on there. And this is a heat shrink that we use. This is available on Amazon. Okay, they're not a sponsor either. Wish they were. They got a lot of good stuff. Okay, but we cut a piece of heat shrink and went ahead and put it on the wires, and then we put flux on the connections, and then soldered them together, and then we shrink down the heat shrink, and then put everything all back together. Um, and it didn't really cost us anything, so we saved like nearly $30 on this repair. So, and it probably took I don't know, like 30 minutes to take and determine what was going on, take the thing apart, do a little bit of research, splice the cord back on, and then get it back up and running again. So I hope you can take and attempt this repair. It's not that hard. The only thing is, these type of star screws are actually kind of a security screw, and all the T-series are. And you might have to take and buy a tool, but they have like a bit set that you can take and find online, and it'll go from like T5 up to like T50. So it's really, really handy to take and have that around, because you're going to be finding them, all over cars and on different modules and stuff that you got to take out and take apart, and on connectors and everything. So I hope I've given you some real good information here. This was a relatively easy repair. So this right here goes in the pile. So thanks, Scott. And then so we'll go ahead and put this back into service. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We appreciate you all. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day.